Hi everyone, today we'll be seeing how much people know about Charlie and the Chocolate Factory. Who is the author of Charlie and the Chocolate Factory?
Roald Dahl.
Roald Dahl?
Roald Dahl.
Roald Dahl.
What is the name of the boy who's obsessed with television?
Mike TV? Oh, Mike TV.
What is the name of Charlie's grandfather?
Joe.
It's just Grandpa.
Bean.
Oh, Joe. Oh, Joe.
What kind of factory does Willy Wonka own?
Chocolate Factory.
Chocolate.
A chocolate factory, of course. Tickets are on sale now. Go get yourself one.
We're here with today theatre enthusiast, HVGS librarian, and Roald Dahl's #1 fan, Miss Duncan. Now tickets are on sale.
Yes, and they're selling super fast, Baxter.
Where can you buy the tickets?
Have you seen the posters all around the school?
Yes, I have.
QR code, easiest place to do it. But you can also do it on social media and the school website.
Do you know what the special is today?
It is a chocolate pizza. I know, yum. 5 people will win a lucky ticket.
Obviously you're going.
Yes, I am.
Who are you taking?
So I'm taking my daughter, she's a Year 2 teacher. I'm going with Mrs. Philpott, librarian, and Miss Austin from Maths. All the road taken, gone, sold.
What's happening in the library?
So we've got this amazing display set up for Wonka production, but we've also hidden 5 lucky tickets within the shelves.
Why do you reckon people should come see the show?
Because HVGS Drama put on the best productions. It's also Wonka, one of my favourites. It's the experience, it's bringing a family, and there's food. Wonka inspired supper during half time.
Yum.
Buy your tickets, people.
Hey everyone, it's our first Sunday of term 2. We have 8 weeks left until we have to perform this. I'm going to take you in and do a tour and show you what everyone's doing. Let's go! It's very loud in here. Oh, that was crispy. So they're going over lines.
We're working on our choreography for our song, Queen of Pop. It's going well. It's a really long song and it's hard choreo, so...
I'm not the most coordinated. I'm in this dance, so go up on stage, see what's going on.
I just got my
golden ticket.
Yeah.
I just learned how to walk again.
Yes, and then you just... Actually, no, we can't say.
So,
Surprise, you'll find out on opening
it's a
night.
surprise. Thanks guys. Tia! Oh!
I'm trying on my squirrel outfit.
I'm wrangling. What are they called? Squirrels. Squirrels. That's what dance is this? So is this the Act 1 finale? Yeah. That's crazy. Well, that's it, guys. That's what everyone's doing this Sunday. Very busy, preparing, and it's raining. Yeah. The weather's not very nice. Bye!